I think he has hiccups. I can feel the hiccups. I'm laying on my side and he was kicking around a lot a minute ago. I was tickling him. So, probably got him all riled up and now he has hiccups. Sorry, Dax. You see the hiccups? Here's one. Here's one. Here's one.